This video will explain the proper way to log into and out of Citrix using Chrome. Open Chrome, and then in the address bar type remote.azdot.gov. Press Enter. This will take you to the Citrix Okta login. Once you've got this page up, the first time you do it, you can make yourself a shortcut. You make the shortcut by clicking on the icon next to the address bar and then dragging it down and dropping it on your favorites bar. You now have the option to edit it, so you can rename it. So I'm going to right-click on it and click on Edit. And then in the name box, I'm going to name it something that will mean something to me. So I'm going to call it a.citrix and click on Save. Now let me show you how to use it. I'm going to close Chrome, reopen Chrome, click on the a.citrix, and there I am in the Citrix Okta login. Now you'll need to enter your password and click on Sign In. You'll have to do the push notification, and once you've done the push notification, you'll be taken through several screens and eventually end up on the a.desktop where you'll see the ITG desktop. When you get here, either double-click on this icon or click on the down arrow and then click on Open, whichever one takes you into Citrix and is easier for you. At this point, you'll be taken through several screens, and eventually you'll log in and be on the desktop you're used to seeing when you're sitting at your desk in A.dot. You'll be able to work as you normally do with all of the apps and files that you're used to having. You may have a problem with the size of the window, and if you do, you can click on this little down arrow and click on Window. This will change your screen so that it's resizable, so you can actually make it the size you want it and make it easier for you to tell when you're in Citrix and when you're on your desktop. So you can see I have resized mine and I can still see my desktop behind it. At this point, you can now work just as you normally would. So if I were at work, I would probably have Microsoft Word open. And I would probably have 2 or 3 other things open. So I'll open a PDF document. And now I have 3 things open: Adobe, File Explorer, and Microsoft Word. So when you're finished working in Citrix, it's very important that you log off properly. First, close all open apps. You see I've closed everything. There's nothing open down here on my taskbar. My screen is empty. You can now do the second step, which is either one of 2 things. You can right-click on the Start menu, go to Shut Down or Sign Out and click on Sign Out, or you can double-click on Log Off.